Alright, been a little bit. Figured I needed to do an update because it's been a while and I missed a whole bunch of stuff here doing videos. But I got a lot of wiring done. Most of the stuff in the trunk here is done. I've actually got, and this battery's just sitting in the hole temporary. I got some lights installed under here, trunk lights. Switch, turn them on and off. Tin in the trunk is kind of done as far as I'm going to do it right now. I can throw suitcases in here, tools or whatever. And I thought about making a filler piece to go in here to close this off completely, but I don't know. I just figured I'd leave it open for now. You can see the shocks and the adjusters and get to all that stuff pretty easy. But yeah, the back here is just about done. Got the bumper back on. All the lights are hooked up, stuff like that. Moving along here. A lot more of the interior is done. I decided to put a radio in it. I got my touchscreen for the dash and electronics. The Terminator's mounted, the MSD's mounted, pedals are all in. The hearse shifter boot's in. Of course the passenger seat is out at the moment, but just for having room to do stuff. Got the wires kind of tucked in here. I got a hell of a mess I got to clean up, but a lot of the wiring is actually kind of buttoned up. Moving up here, I got some stuff to finish zip tying here in the dash, but you know, I got all the wires in loom. These that are open are just indicators, which I wasn't too concerned with. Got the suspension you guys seen before. A lot of the wiring up here is not done. The harness has been routed. The harness is made. Nothing is tied up yet. I wanted to get the clip on. So tonight I worked on rebuilding a section of the core support. She was a little rotted out, so I had to rebuild them out. And I'm not getting too carried away. This ain't a high dollar show car. This is more of a race car that I can drive on the road. But yeah, it's coming along. Core support's on, fenders are on. I'm going to run a couple braces, but I'm not putting the full inner structure in. And yeah, that's progress. Peace out, world.